Potato and carrot tuile for garnish for plated dessert, for hot kitchen, very easy, and also you can make it as a snacks. 1 kilo of carrot we cooked very well, then we add it to hand blender or blender with 80 gram corn flour. So you boil the carrot till cook, then you mix it with 80 gram of corn flour or corn starch, then you spread into silpa sheet or parchment paper and you bake it 160. The same we do with potato, 1 kilo potato. We boil it until to cook. You don't need to add it corn starch or other thing. All you need, you can add it little bit of salt. You can, if you want to make it garnish or snacks, then you added coriander, mint, dill, any vegetable leaves you want. Then you can roast it in the oven till be crunchy. So if you need it to make it for dessert, you can add a little bit sugar. And as you see, when it's roasted, it's have a beautiful aroma. Follow me for more technique.